All right, we are going to find our friend here. Our friend red worms. As you can see, the red worm here. There are tons of red worm, and we are going to find there are so many red worm here. I'm going to look for this red worm. Here there are another one. There are so many here. We are going to put this together, and let's find. Sadika, you want to help me? Oh, here. Let's put here right in that side. And
Little baby.
oh wow, there's so many. I put in the morning here. I think they are hiding somewhere
It's
here.
actually in the same time.
Yeah. Oh wow. And then there are other insect too.
Oh wait, I think I found one. No, I didn't. Oh wait, this is one.
Did you find
Yeah,
another
oh
one?
my god, I fell down.
Okay, so let's do this one. I'm going to put in this pot, and we are going to give some food here for them. They will have tons of baby, and they will
Oh,
enjoy.
look at this one.
They'll enjoy their life.
Tiny
Sadika,
one.
let's put it here first.
This leaf.
Okay, let's do
And then,
here.
remember like the next video.
Yes, and then I hope
What
that
if I drop some in?
if you drop the red worms, let me know. There are so many already.
Oh, I see one. I see one that's sleeping, I think. I don't know.
Oh,
if
you found them? Other insect too?
that's-
Ooh, this
Oh,
looks.
this insect. Oh my god, it's going in my glove.
Let's put this one first. This is green tea, some
Wait, no, onion.
these are orange peel here,
Yeah.
and I see tons of green tea.
Oh my
This
god.
is all kitchen waste right here, kitchen
Yeah,
food.
Wait, oh, there's some egg.
Yeah. Oh, please. Oh, yeah, that's good. They like eggs. They like egg.
Oh my god, disgusting.
We can break it. Yeah, there are tons of egg here. Let's break down, and then they will.
Oh, look at, is this, oh wait, I found one.
What that?
Lemon. Is this one?
Yeah, just put here.
I don't know if there's lemon in it.
Yeah,
Banana.
Sadika. I think that's. Let's put some banana. They like banana peels,
Yeah.
and I think
What? I need some more.
that's fine for now.
Boy. No more.
No more. I think that's enough for them. We can put here. Now we can put more. Let's go.
Okay. And then we can put more food.
Yeah, we can put more. And
Let me see. I want to get one like a worm or something.
yeah, there are so many here.
I can't. Oh, there? Okay, let me get some there.
Did you find? Oh, here, right here.
Oh, yeah. Oh, I want
This guy right here.
Oh,
So going here.
No, that's not one. Oh my god, I want to get a red one.
Oh, look, one right here.
Oh my god, why are you finding some? I want to find.
Right here. It's going this way.
When I find something and I swipe it,
Oh, look.
Ah!
This one right here. We're going to find right here. They will go inside and eat all the food. And yeah,
Oh my god.
you can put that.
Enough dirt.
Yeah, you can put that.
Dirt.
So this our friend right here
Yeah.
is going. It's trying to go inside, and it's so active. And then it's going inside and eat all that food, and it will make vermicompost then.
I want to show them something.
Okay, this one right here. Just go inside. All right. So now, right here we have this one.
Where's the injured? It's no
There
injured.
for this pot we are going to use.
I fell.
Okay, so let's go.
Mom, I fell. I got it.
Let me see if we have here. So far, not many.
Papa, I fell. I got it.
They will eat their food. Okay,
Mama,
put
I
there.
got
Yeah,
it.
put this. Sadhya.
Oh.
And they will make it. They will go
Mama,
there. They
put
will
the
eat.
food.
They will poop.
Oh
Stomach, can you move a little bit? And I'm putting right here. This one. All kind of stuff. They are going to eat everything.
Wait,
right here. Sadika, put here. Put all the way. Okay,
Oh my God, there's some on the floor. Look at the floor. On the table.
Okay, Sadika. Now
Well, there's dirt on the table. Oh
They
my
will-
God.
they want to eat. So
These are mine.
okay. Now they have leaves here, and
Only cute little worms.
they will be so happy in a while.
They don't even have mouths. Well, they have mouths, but when you look close on them, they don't have eyes.
Okay.
They literally don't have eyes.
So we are going to put
More food!
more food here.
What's the food?
In a while, they are
What's the
going to
food?
eat, and then
Look at my hand.
so they will have so many here and
Are they
more.
gonna have food? There's no more food though.
Now I'm putting this green grass
Look at me.
right here.
Ah!
This is some sort of grass from our yard here. Okay, we need some water here now in a while.
Getting the dirt
So we are
from
good.
the table.
Our friend are right there.
Wait.
So now, so we are going to put some water, a little bit here, all around.
There you go.
So they will enjoy their life there. They are fine here. Now the last one is we are going to
The moon.
put them. Good. All right here one, and then this guy right here. We are going to put. I hope that we can feed both. Right there, we can live like that, just to be safe from squirrel. Thank you. And then we are going to put here so that the squirrel doesn't do anything, any harm. We don't need to close all the way, but we can just make like that. All right. Yeah, that's good.